Welcome to the Digital Marketing Chatbot Preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify how businesses explore marketing solutions and strengthen their brand presence, making their digital journey strategic, guided, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message, followed by a main menu featuring 7 core service options: advertising and leads, social media management, website and landing pages, content and branding, automation services, view our work, and talk to our team. These are standard industry offerings, but they can be fully customized to align with individual business needs and objectives. When a user selects automation services, the chatbot immediately initiates a short and guided questionnaire to collect essential information, including the business name, business description, target area or city, approximate marketing budget, and current online presence. Once the details are submitted, the chatbot generates a clear summary of the entire request for review and then provides an acknowledgement message confirming that the inquiry has been successfully recorded. With a structured conversational flow and smart automation, this digital marketing chatbot ensures businesses can explore services, share requirements, and initiate strategic growth, all through one seamless and efficient interaction. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, PDFs, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the digital marketing chatbot, template installation process, and flow builder overview.